Ready? Go.
So there's a literary bank.
Hi, doctor.
Hey. Okay. I'm Dr. Kumar. I'm the chairman of organization the Scalene and the Scalene Energy Water Corporation. And we invented a device for harvesting water from air using a specific technology which I will elaborate later. And Faiz,
Hi. Myself, CM Faiz Mohammed. I am the ED and CEO of Scalene Energy Water Corporation, where we intend to mass produce this wonderful machine. Doctor, can you give us some brief as to what
Sure.
Aquaria is all about?
Yeah, Aquaria is a device for extraction of water from lower Earth atmosphere, and this uses a very much different kind of technology from what generally is used for water harvesting. Water harvesting is not new; it's been there for maybe 20-30 years, and there are various methods where water was captured from the atmosphere. Even some of the places where you have this kind of water extraction machine which is centuries old.
Right.
So that the concept is not a new message. But the technologies, which is one has to be economical, energy consumption should be low, adequate water should be produced, should work in different kind of climatic conditions. So these are called hypersonic precipitation. And we take the air in first, filter the air from the atmospheric suspended particles, and then particulate matter. So you have a 2.5 ppm particulate matter filter, and then after that the air comes in, and using hypersonic precipitation, we can bring down the right condition inside a device called a rain tunnel.
Right.
And then you can get the water down, and then you can then filter it out and do other things to finally end up as a clean drinking water.
Very interesting aspect. You said rain tunnel. What is rain tunnel, doctor, and how did you come into a concept for rain tunnel?
See, rain tunnel is just a kind of a box in which you maintain certain conditions, certain temperature, certain draft, pressure, etc., etc. What is interesting is the hypersonic precipitation. When water you break down into nanoparticles, 15-20 nanometers, and these nano water particles freeze at a higher temperature. Okay, it freezes at a higher temperature where you have nano ice crystals. Okay, and these nano ice crystals, can by vapor absorption grow. Okay, so vapor absorption means it will start absorbing the ice. When you say ice, if you would take it, they also collect vapor, and then so you have, when you melt ice, you'll have more water than ice which are. So by vapor absorption we do this, and then when these nano crystals become bigger in size, they lose that property. Okay, and then they fall as raindrops. And this happens in a box, so we call it as a rain tunnel. Okay, so this is what it is.
This is a discovery from.
Yes, the unique property of this was discovered by us long ago, and of course there are other universities who have now taken it forward. They are able to even freeze water at the boiling point. So that's besides. But in this application, we are looking at the entire thing working at a higher temperature, so that I don't use much of energy for that.
So comparing the conventional technology, like for example condensation, which is hugely available and people tend to differentiate, compare it. How different and what's the
see, condensation is by which you get the air temperature to lower enough level, more to the dew point, and then you literally condense the water. Now you need enormous amount of energy for that. For example, if the device have to work in a place where there is a temperature of 48 degrees, and you need to break down that, and most of the part of the machine is open. It's not like in a closed room, so you have to bring down the temperature, this and that. So this works at a lower energy levels, and suited for renewable energy sources. So that is the number one idea. Second thing is we have worked out a lot on the property of the water which is produced also. very natural and naturally available salts which are there, and the water is very pure in drinking. Okay, and we have about 9 stages of filtration in this device. In this version is actually to produce 10 to 30 liters of water depending on the conditions. But then we have bigger ones to produce bigger quantity of water. And most important here, this is being for a domestic use, for a home, and in where we have about 9 stages of filtration to see that there is no contamination. Water is absolutely untouched by anybody. So it straight comes into your glass and take it. So just directly into your cup. Okay, so that's what you see here is only one half of it. The other half is a dispenser. But just to show how the whole process works, and that's what it is all about.
Wonderful, doctor. I'm sure this is one of the most sorted technology coming in years to come. So with this we are participating in XPRIZE Water Abundance Challenge, where we intend to demonstrate a technology which is going to be far reaching, helping in a very economical way, generating electricity, generating water from the atmosphere. I'm sure, doctor, let's hope all the best for the challenge participation.
In fact, the very idea is to see that people can have drinking water anywhere where you have favorable saturation of vapor pressure in the atmosphere, and so it can be practically anywhere. And we think we should make it in a big way to see that at low cost, low energy, we should make it available to the world. That's what is my aim and intention here.
Absolutely. Wonderful. I'm sure we have given you a free small demo as to what the product is, and the past 3 days has been very challenging and interesting as well. We have come across good leads on how this technology can evolve further and the areas which we can function on. Let's hope for the best and looking forward to the bright future.
Yeah, and I also thank all the team members.
Thank you.
Who could work in shifts 24 hours to achieve this event. And thank you very much.
Thank you for BangaloreRobotics team as well for putting up this entire thing together and showcasing this path-breaking technology. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.